Crypto Bros, this video will be Margex copy trading tutorial. I'm gonna show you step by step how to use copy trading here on the platform. So stick until the end. Before we start, remember I'm not a financial advisor and this video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always your own research DR. So the first thing of course that you need to have is an account on Margex. Go down below in the description of this video and just check the link so you can have 15% bonus to pay your commissions on the platform. Okay, the maximum size of the bonus is 10k USD, so that is it for the bonus. Alright, so the first thing, pretty known exchange, Margex. If you don't know yet, it's pretty much trading platform. It's not really, like you can see, it's not really stock. It's just basically have different coins to trade on futures, leverage up to 100x, no KYC. You can just register and start trading. Very simple. And this is also what we like. Okay, limit orders, market orders, etc. But like I told you, we're gonna focus on copy trading. Before copy trading, you of course need to have something in your account. Okay, if you want to deposit, you can deposit different coins in here. You can also buy basically with Visa. You can buy BTC. It's pretty simple. If you have never done this, it's pretty simple. Okay, you can have different options to buy BTC or, like I said, crypto deposit. So after having it, the next thing of course you need to go to copy trading platform. And the same, like if you don't understand how the copy trading works, it's basically you copy other traders. Okay, you can see their entire history, you can see what they were opening, what trades they were opening, what is the ROE, number of followers, strategy equity, traders equity, collateral, achievements, etc. in the name. Okay, we're gonna see all of that and choose like maybe 2-3 traders. We're gonna follow them just to show you how I pick them, okay, and how to do it. So there is zero fees. That's the good thing comparing to other platforms. Like there is zero fees. Okay, so if the trader makes money, he just shares the profit with you. Nothing from that comes to the exchange. I don't know if they calculate commissions to that. And remember, there is never something like no risk in crypto. Okay, even let's say this guy 400%, 200%. It doesn't mean that you will always win. Okay, like anything can happen. So just keep that in mind. Like really take care of your funds and of picking the right trader. So the minimum to use copy trading is 10 USD, and it's pretty simple. This is a Margex guidebook where they explain how to use the copy trading. Like you can see, I might leave you a link to that also so that you can just check it out. There's all like 6 steps we're gonna do it now. Navigate and just pick some traders. So let's pick something more fresh. So let's get the ROE from, let's say, last month. We're gonna put it as by rank as well. Alright, so that guy in a month is up 173%, in a year 177, week minus 200%, in a day nothing. You can see the equity, current equity 1.2k, follow outflow of funds. We can see monthly. Okay, there was on 5th September some outflow, some more significant outflow. On 2nd September there was an inflow, and now another inflow on 26th. Not enough data for me. Let's check another one. Okay, this one looks a little bit more solid. Looks like it's been going for quite a while already in a proper way. Equity 17k, inflow outflow. Let's see monthly. All right, so we're gonna follow that one. And also, like, I'm not suggesting you anything. This is just an example, okay? So always take care of your own funds. I fully understand it. Follower tiers. Let's put just 500 USDT and look, carried out according to the rollover settings, the nearest 6 UTC. Let's follow now, and like you can see, it's that simple. We have the info now, follow account, and it's basically the follow has gone through. So now when we go to the portfolio, we can see the exact date, the collateral, the amount, transfer to copy trading, and this is it. You can see also the trade that we just followed. All right, another one that we see, okay, all-time ROE, equity. It's pretty similar to the previous one. Oh, this one is weekly minus 500%. We don't want that. Another one, weekly minus 200%. Monthly up 300%, so more risky, let's say. All right, I found this guy yearly up 150%. the proper equity, not too big, not too small. Let's follow it with let's put 200, yeah, like 250 for that one. Fully understand. Let's follow now. We've got 2 guys already following. So you can have basically different strategies. Okay, so my strategies, I would not really I would not really follow guys that have like spikes, you know. So basically, if you see a daily ROE on a level of like 300% or 200%, like it means there is very big leverage involved, and you don't really want it. Okay, you want especially like if you want to keep following the trader for a longer time, I would personally go for something more stable. Okay, if there is something called stable in crypto, you know what I mean. The trader share, you can see the tiers in here, and follower share, depending also on the amount. Okay, so this here you have the info, but basically thanks to this whole data, you can do different analysis and check it on your own and decide on your own. And I only showed you an example, but there is I believe hundreds of different traders. Okay, so check them, and maybe not 100, I'm not actually sure, but like check them, and if you want to, of course, and you can pick your strategy. Like you can see, there is a Margex trading app for Android and Apple as well. Here's the Apple link as well for the Margex app, and that's pretty much it. Like you can see right now, I have the waiting strategy lower over time 6 UTC, and this one is midnight UTC. So I'm gonna wait. I'll see if I'm gonna update you depending on the feedback. Let me know if you want to be updated with the copy trading challenge. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.